my name's Hannah Welsh, and I'm here with my brother Luke. We're going to teach you an outdoor survival craft. First, we have to collect all of these items for our emergency fire lighting kit. Now, with help from your parents, melt some candle wax.
Hey guys, it's Luke. We're going to be making our wilderness adventure lighter. It's important to remove the tab here, otherwise when your hands are cold, it'll be really hard to light. Next, we're going to be making our lighter onto a necklace, so it's always on you and it's warm so it's easy to light.
Hey everybody, it's Hannah. Next, we're going to make our emergency fire starter. We're going to use things from around the house. We're going to use some dryer lint, an egg carton, and the candle wax we melted earlier. First, you're going to put some dryer lint in one of the squares in the egg carton. Then you're going to fill it up with wax to seal the dryer lint. Then let it harden and cut the square out. Then we'll go try it outside. I wanted to teach you fire lighting today because I think it's one of the best skills in the backcountry. I think being able to start a fire easily and quickly is the best way to stay safe out on the land. If you're looking for tinder to start your fire, the bottom of a spruce or a pine tree has small dry wood.
When collecting wood, try to gather as much as you possibly can so that your fire can stay going once it's started. Before you light your fire, it's best to find a calm, dry, sheltered place. Also, it helps to organize your wood from smallest to largest.
Before we light the fire, we're going to clear a spot for the fire like this. Then you're going to place your we're going to take out our emergency fire starter that we made earlier. We're going to place it in the center. Then you take some little sticks and place them over. Make sure you can still light it. This fire starter works in wet and cold areas. Once you've put the fire starter down and the little sticks, you can light your fire starter. Make sure you keep piling little sticks onto the other sticks as the fire grows. Thanks for watching our hunter education videos. See you in the next one.